Welcome back. Today we're going to fit the side sliding door handle, because last time we were away Shawnee thought she was strong and pulled the handle off and snapped it. And then also my door is like ajar, it doesn't fully close, so I'm going to try and adjust that. Also I got some side lights I need to replace. I ordered one side light and automotive they said, you know. So we can do some little jobs on the outside, get ready for the weekend away. Stay tuned. Right. So the first thing to change the handle will be to take these two bolts out. We'll swing it around behind, so two bolts in. So we take these out. I think it's a T30. I should tell you now actually. Yeah, it's a T30 starved bit. So we take them two out and then see where we go from there. Oh, nice and loose. I think it should be as easy as that. That's it. Out it is.
No more climbing through the front door.
It's simply a case of taking this metal bar up then, I believe. Well, come and get his goes up here. That's the old one. Plastic clip back over the bar. There's like a slice on the handle, so it doesn't fit in flush. You push it in. I mean, over working handle, it was £10 or £9.99 off eBay. So Shawnee broke it. I fixed it in what's that? 2 minutes.
£2.59.
$2.50.
Yay!
Yeah, the door again. So now as I have a T30 in my hand, I may as well try and adjust the door to pull it in. And I think that's an easy fix as well. I watched some videos and these, the door catches, they're T30 as well, I believe. Yeah, so you just loosen them off, don't unscrew them, well unscrew them, but don't take them out. So loosen them, push them in as high and as far in as they'll go. Tighten it back up.
And that's because our door done shut tightly, innit?
Jams, yeah. No jams, it stays in jars, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Same with this one, no? So just loosen them off. Push them in as far as they go, and as high as they go. It should be like a plastic ring along here, but this one doesn't seem to have it, so that might have something to do with it as well. Flush. And it's as simple as that to fix your the sliding door. There is adjustments you can do on the bottom if it's dropping down and stuff, but what's it like? It's a lot better than it was. It's still, I don't know, it is alright there. But that leaves as simple as that for me. Is there is other bits, if there's other things, but I was pretty sure it was just the alignment, so that's that done. Now we're going to move on to new lens. That's a new lens. So I'm gonna do some more build videos. I'll do the little small things, the things that I need to get done to make it a complete van that we're happy with. So if you're interested, please subscribe and see what else we can do to get it back to its former glory.